All right, I think we're good. I think we're good. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. This is gonna be a fairly chill moto vlog. We're actually just now leaving Dom's kitchen. It's one of my spots here in Chicago that I like to just ride out to. We're actually gonna head over to Montrose Harbor, chill there, probably shoot some content. Probably the intro video that you're seeing to this video now is what I'm gonna go over there and you'll shoot. But other than that, we're just gonna enjoy a little ride today, man. Nothing too crazy, nothing too insane. Now, you know what we'll do? We'll actually do a little bit of a Q&A. Oh, there's a husky. I gotta pet the husky. I have to pet the husky. I have to pet the husky. 1 second. 1 second. Okay, we'll be right back. We'll be right back. Excuse me really quick. Can I pet your dog?
Oh, of course.
I love huskies. They're like my favorite dog. What's up? What's his or her name?
Bowen.
Bowen.
Oh boy, yeah.
What's up, Bowen? Oh my gosh, how long have you had Bowen for?
11 months now.
Oh wow,
Yeah.
dope. What's up? Don't eat my gloves. Oh my gosh, you're such a good dog. Okay, thank you so much.
Of course,
I had
have a
to.
great
Appreciate
day.
you too.
Yeah.
Oh, that just made my whole life. I promise you. Bowen. Bowen's eyes also look like his owner's eyes. They had similar eyes. But yeah, we'll do a little bit of a Q&A, little session here, you know, to answer a few things that I've gotten questions on and like my humble opinions on. So that's what we'll do on the ride over there. Let's hit it. Hopefully you can hear all the words that are coming out of my mouth, and if not, then that's on you, you know. Hi. Hello. Oh, she just kill switched me indirectly. All right, let's go. Oh. I forgot to zip up my pants pocket, so if my wallet falls out, I'm gonna be very upset. So yes, a little bit of Q&A. So I got one question. On a previous motovlog, my right mirror wasn't there. They said, what happened? Long story short, I guess, I thought I was going much further than I was. Long story short, I was on a hill and then I fell on the hill. I wish I had the footage on me. I accidentally deleted the footage. No, actually, I'm gonna say I purposely deleted the footage so nobody can say anything. Yeah, I fell, broke the mirror on the hill, and the rest is history. All right, another question I got. What is a good beginner bike for those that are just now starting off in riding? Now, I am a relatively new rider. I started riding beginning of this season, and I love my 2019 Honda CBR 300. Bike's been really nice to me, and it's forgiving. I don't even know what that means for a bike to be forgiving, but it responds. You have to learn the bike that you're on, right? And I think the best bike to do that on is a Honda 300. With that being said, I know the 400s have been getting a little bit of love though too. Like the Ninja 400s, I have no problem with those bikes, okay? In my humble opinion, I think a 400 is also very, very, very good for a beginner bike. I think that it has the power that you need to get out of certain situations. I also think that it is light enough and friendly enough for you to when you're starting to ride. What is that? An armored car, a Google armored car. I feel like it's gonna shoot rockets out of it, you know? With that being said, all of that about the 400, I really like the 300. I think this is probably the best bike, especially for me. I'm a lighter guy, so it's a really, really good bike for me. Here's some tips. I guess these, all right, this was not a question, but I'm gonna tell you anyway. Here's some tips for riding, right? I think when starting with the bike, start with the bike that's best for you. Please, I have a friend that started on 1,000 and he got in a bike accident. He's fine and everything, but don't start at 1,000. drive right now. There's hella traffic. So anyway, beginning tips. Beginning tips. That's what I was talking about. Beginning tips. Never try to ride anybody else's ride, right? As you just saw me on Lakeshore Drive, like there were plenty of opportunities for me to weave in and out of traffic, to do crazy things, right? That's not my ride right now. I recognize that. I'm a beginner. I like her tattoo. It was a cactus. I'm a beginner rider. I have no reason to be riding like somebody who's been riding for years, you know? My homie Rello actually told me, like, it's your life, you know, that you're riding with. It's not our lives. We're riding with our own lives, so we're doing what we want with our own lives. But don't try to keep up, you know, never try to beat. Things like that. I think that helps. Oh, here's a good, we got a story time coming. So, a good story time, hold on 1 second, is why in God's green earth did I even decide to ride my motorcycle from the auto shop back to my homie's garage in the first place. That was the very first video where I was stalling out like crazy. Hold on. So the first video when I was stalling out like 300, 400, 500 times. So what happened? So my very first night of me buying this motorcycle without even knowing how to ride it, my very first night, it got robbed, attempted to be stolen. Long story short, these group of guys on a moped tried to, well, they broke my ignition and were planning on hot wiring the bike. So they break the ignition, I catch them doing that and they scramble away. Meanwhile, I have a broken ignition with nowhere else to go. So I have it towed to my buddy's garage because this is a Friday and every auto shop is closed until Monday. So I have it towed to my buddy's garage it's supposed to be over the weekend, ended up being about 2 to 3-ish weeks. I think this would be dope. We could shoot from like right there to like over here. Yeah, pretty cool. Hello. I don't know why she looked at me twice. And then 2-3 weeks go by and I was like, well, it's time to actually fix up the bike. Keep in mind, I have no idea how to ride this bike yet. So I was like, you know what? Let's at least get it fixed up first. And my buddy can then drive it from the auto shop. That's a sexy looking CBR with Chicago in the background. Mike. So my buddy can drive it from the auto shop to back to his place until I learn how to ride. So one thing led to another. My buddy's in the Army, so he went to drill for that week. And by that week, I mean he went to drill for about, I think, 3-4 weeks. Oh, it's another guy. It's another rider guy. What's up, guy? So he was at drill for about 3 to 4 weeks. We're probably gonna make friends right now. And while he was at drill, my bike was ready. So I had to pick it up regardless. Is he coming through? What up, bud? So I had to pick it up. Seem like cool people. I don't know. I kind of expected him to stop and have a little conversation, but I went to go pick it up, or I had to pick it up because he was at drill and none of my other riding friends were available. So I was like, well, this is going to be kind of crazy because I'm going to have to learn how to drive this thing in a matter of 5 minutes. So the night before I'm picking it up, I'm on YouTube heavy, just like how to ride a motorcycle, you know, best beginning ways to ride a motorcycle, this, that, and the third. Funny, right? Funny. And then game time happened, and that game time was that last video. Now, a lot of people were saying that it was really dangerous and stupid for me to be by myself and everything like that, which it was. But I also think that one, you have to take chances in life for anything you want to do. And now a chance with your life, probably not that extreme, but you have to take chances. Secondly, He's waiting for the goose. I got you, guy. I got you, guy. I got you. I got. Okay. Yeah, you're welcome. All right, you gotta go. Don't cross. Don't cross. Don't cross. Wait. You. All right. Go. 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 Okay. You're good. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're so welcome. You're so welcome. One, you to take chances in life, but two, I wasn't by myself. So I had a buddy who doesn't know how to ride, but he was in his car behind me, and he was behind me the entire time. So with all the stalls and everything like that, I told him I'll probably stall a few times, and by a few times I meant like 10 times, and he was cool with that. So he was keeping an eye out and making sure that nobody was behind me, and it was only him. So I was relatively safe for the conditions. If you haven't already, go check out that video. It's pretty cool. Anyway, I'm gonna stop the recording and get some shots of the bike in Chicago. So yeah, bye. Real groovy. Yeah, so anyway, look at this guy. Is he gonna come? Why is he walking up to me like that? So yeah, this bike is it's my baby. Let's talk to this guy. I feel like he wants to talk. How you doing?
Hey buddy, how are you?
Good, good. How are you?
I just wanted to buy one of those, man.
Yeah.
I'm looking into it.
Okay.
And how you bought one new?
Oh no, I bought it used.
Oh, you?
So this is a 2019 Honda CBR, and I bought it used off of Facebook Marketplace.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
How much you pay for it?
3,000.
Not bad.
No, no,
What's
it's not
the
at
new
all.
one cost?
New one probably around 6,000-7,000. Yeah, if you want to get a 300. But honestly, I recommend if you want to start off like brand new, I would recommend off of Facebook Marketplace. There's just a couple things you have to watch out for, you know.
What is that watch out?
One, make sure it has a title and registration. Like title is clean and it has registration. Well, obviously you have to get the registration for it, but first and foremost, the title is clean. Watch out, here comes a car. Secondly, if you have a buddy or a friend who has ridden bikes before, go with them, have them go with you to like test drive it in a way. So make sure everything is smooth with it.
This one is, what year is that?
This is a 2019. So this is only 4 years old, yeah. So still a young bike, and it's a beginner, so it's a 300. So very, very easy.
It's called CBR, right?
Yeah, a Honda CBR.
CBR.
Yep.
Now, CBR has like, this is a 300 cc.
Yes, 200 is gonna have a little bit less power, but that doesn't mean more control. I like 300 because even in city driving, it gives you a perfect amount of power to control it and still get out of any city situation if you need to, but not too powerful where you're like afraid of the bike, you know?
I drove with my children. I drove 100.
Okay.
Oh no, 150, sorry.
Okay, okay.
150.
So you have some experience.
Oh yeah, I
Yeah.
know how to do those.
Then you would be okay with the 3, I think. I think you would be okay with the 300.
A little bit too heavy.
Okay, okay.
I want a little bit lighter.
For sure, for sure. And I think that's the most
a little bit taller than me.
no, yeah. I think that's the most important part too though, right? You have to know what you want and what you like.
You've been riding how long?
I've been riding since the beginning of this year.
Oh.
So I'm a fairly new rider. That's why I started off low, just to get my bearings with it. Yep.
Good, man.
Yes.
Good bike.
Yes, thank you. Thank you.
I like Honda, man.
Yeah, thank you.
They last, man.
Yeah.
Forever, man.
Yeah, that's why I love it too. No, thank you.
Hey,
Thank you.
my friend.
You have a good one.
You as well,
For sure, for sure. Stay safe. That was a nice guy. That was a nice guy. That was a really nice guy. The ultimate question though is, what did I do with the keys? Did I set them on the ground right here? Yeah, I sure did. Look, somebody, I'm so silly sometimes. Anyway, yeah, by the way, I don't know what I was talking about before he came and showed up, but this is like one of my escape places, you know? I think it's important. I'm just gonna take a moment of personal privilege, right? Because this is my channel, I can do what I want. I think everybody that's watching this should have a place like this where they can get away, getting off of social media and just kind of escape and just relax for a second, you know? Because this life is always go, 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 go. It's important that you have a spot that you can relax, especially if it's a good view like this. I'm privileged because I have this, but even if it's like, I don't know, on your roof in a neighborhood of like rocks and cracks, look at that butterfly. No matter where the place is, long story short, have a safe spot that you can go to. Anyway, let's continue on with this ride. Also, additionally, if you have any questions or anything that I can help you with for my little experience, that was a weird way to get on, let me know, because I would love to help you all out. All right, let's go. say bye to my guy. Oh, I'm sorry. I make the damn kid cry. Jesus Christ. Let's get back on. Bro, I love Lakeshore Drive so much, I promise you. Is this the entrance? Is this the entrance? I think it's the entrance. Fuck it. It's gonna have to be the entrance. It's not. It is. Let's go. Respectfully, man. I could do the outro now though. Hey, you listen, it's been a great MotoVlog. I feel like we have a lot of had a lot of good conversation. I answered a few questions. I got lost in my own mind, and that's sometimes okay. Other than that, thank you all so much for watching. Consider subscribing if you're new. I'm gonna try. I don't really have a schedule for these. I kind of just do them when I feel like doing them. But if you want me to get on the schedule, no, actually, no, this is my channel. I'm gonna do what I want. So I'm gonna continue to doing them whenever I feel like doing them. Ride fast, stay safe, have fun. I will catch you guys on the next episode. Peace out, man. That was an awful shift. Oh my God, that's so embarrassing. I'm still learning.